Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you exactly how to get and activate your Tamara card in the UAE. It's your key to flexible payments. First, download the Tamara app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and tap Sign Up to create your account using your mobile number and email. Next, complete your profile verification. You'll need to provide your Emirates ID for identity verification. Follow the in-app instructions to take photos of your ID front and back. Then, once your account is approved, navigate to the Card section in the app. Here you can apply for your virtual Tamara card. The approval is usually instant for eligible users. After that, to activate your card, simply tap on it in the app. There's no physical activation needed for the virtual card, it's ready to use immediately for online purchases. For the physical card, if available, you'll need to wait for delivery and then follow the activation instructions provided with it. Your Tamara card is now active. You can start using it at thousands of online stores across the UAE. If this guide helped you get started with Tamara, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.